This is Creality Scan 2.1.6 and this is the software configuration site where you can select the configuration for your Scan Ferret scanner. Because I have different objects that I'm going to scan, this object, what you see over here, and also this object, what you see over here, I have to select different feature modes to be working with this. Now for that Christmas house, that Christmas church that I had, I can use the texture mode. And the reason I can do that is because there is a lot of contrast and detail here in this object. So when scanning this, the texture mode will be working very good. Now this can't be said about this object. This object doesn't have a lot of contrast, there are no shiny colors. Well, it's a pretty dull object. And then the geometry mode will do a better job in scanning this. So now you know what you have to choose in the feature settings, whether it be geometry or texture. If you liked this video, then please consider giving it a like and also consider subscribing to my channel, because the YouTube algorithms would love that. And well, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!